Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2019 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. This boat is powered by Mercury 200 Verado white engine. Going to have the stainless ski tow bar. Coming into the boat, it's going to have a pop-up backrest. This also has plenty of storage in the back, and it comes with 2 tables. As we come into the boat, you'll see plenty of seating in the cockpit. This has the U-shaped wraparound seating. Dual helm chairs with flip-up bolsters. This one has the upgraded stereo system with the sub. Here at the helm, digital throttle shift. This is the Simrad glass dash on the Sea Ray. Fusion stereo. This boat does have a head on the port side. Coming forward, we have full wraparound seating in the bow. This concludes a walkthrough of the 2019 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.